Let's attempt this quiz regarding OSI model and learn by doing the quiz and fill in the gaps of your knowledge. First question is, how many OSI layers are there? Which is pretty straightforward, 7. Which layers do router devices operate? Routers operate in a network layer, switches operate in a data link layer. Name the protocol that operates in transport layer. That can be either TCP or UDP. Both TCP and UDP operate in a transport layer. So the answer can be either TCP or UDP. Which network layer? The network is which OSI layer? It is a third layer. As you can see in OSI model, network layer is a third layer. Which layer manages reliable transfer of data from host to host or end to end? End-to-end reliable communication happens in a transport layer. Also referred as a process-to-process communication. Process-to-process communication also happens in transport layer, where the address used in a transport layer is a port number. Encapsulation occurs in all layers. No, this is not true, because encapsulation occurs in all layers but the physical layer. If in a physical layer, data is converted into bits and pieces and transmitted over the wire network. Session layer communicates with the which other layers? Here we have the session layer. It communicates with presentation layer and transport layer, or transport and presentation. What is the name of the layer that selects the best path for the data to be transmitted? Which is network, a network layer, because the routing happens in this layer. What devices operate at the data link layer? Switches do operate in the network data link layer, and we have seen the previous question where routers do operate in a network layer. How many layers can provide error detection and correction? Is a thing we have to select multiple and you can check multiple boxes, but basically TCP layer error detection and correction happens in a transport layer as well as data link layer. And network layer also we have some detection mechanisms, but primarily this transport layer error detection. Transport layer supports error detection, error correction, flow control, and congestion control mechanisms are supported or provided. These services are provided by transport. And also data link layer, there are some mechanisms for error detection and correction. So 2, and I think 3 is also a correct answer here. Yeah, as you can see here, 3 layers, as the network layer can also correct if it detects any of the errors. So it can be 2 and 3. Yeah.